Greetings, Awusheni. My name is Shadrach and I'm here to present to you traditional food. And here we go. So we are going to be cooking Tshopi today. The ingredients which we have today, Gwadi. Gwadi is another type of melon if I'm not mistaken, but it's also similar to a shape of a melon, but white inside. Then we have sugar, you can use white or brown sugar. Then we have fine maize meal, which is called shibasa. So today you are going to be learning a lot of different kind of food. And then let me continue. So how do we cook Tshopi? Firstly, we first chop the gwadi. The gwadi, you chop it and then you put it in the stove and then you boil it till it's ready to be mashed. And then now you can put in the fine shibasa, fine maize meal. And then after you'll be also putting in sugar. So I'll be showing you the processes and everything which will be required. So yeah, thank you. So guys, it's time. Things are boiling. Yeah, the food is getting ready. Yeah. So here it is, still boiling. So right now I'm just trying to reduce the water. They say the gwadi comes with a lot of water, and I'm just trying to reduce water, so I make sure that I do not fetch also the particles of gwadi and then reduce it here. Yeah, so we're still in the process, guys. You have to learn. Yeah, cultural food. This is Tshopi. Now I'm using rifetho, something which is used to mash the potatoes. I've just reduced the water right now because I saw that there is a lot of water, so that it doesn't become a soup. So right now I'm trying to mash using this thing. So it is grinding this thing and making the gwadi to be soft. So yeah. Thanks.
Keep talking, keep.
Will you please bring the phone closer, please, so that these people see what I'm doing. Just show in the pot what's cooking in the pot. So this is what we are cooking. This is Tshopi, guys, and I think it's healthy for the body. It is starchy since we are also putting fine maize meal, and yeah, through the help of my mother, and yeah, I'm learning a lot. I cannot suffer wherever I go. Yeah. Yeah, so right now I'm putting fine maize meal, and I already placed in sugar, so the smoke is tough, and yeah, so you'll cook it till it's thick as to a sort of a pumpkin. So yeah, just stirring using your feto, and yeah, you'll get there, believe me. Yeah, so right now I'm dishing up. Soap is ready, and you can enjoy it for supper. Yeah, just got done within 3 hours, I think, to prepare cutting the guadi, then boiling it, making it to be ready for mashing, and stirring with that refetto, and then putting in fine maize meal and also sugar. So yeah, I used brown sugar. I think brown sugar is healthy for the body. Yeah, that's all, guys. So yeah, please. Finally, we are here. Finally, Topi is served, and this is Topi. This is for the family, and this is mine. I'm just going to enjoy. So please subscribe to my channel and watch more on what is going to be displayed on Shady Natives and Mawana Kosa's Kitchen. And Mawana Kosa's Kitchen will be talking to you about the cultural foods which we are going to serve to you. And the cultural food mostly will be Tsonga, since I'm a Tsonga. And then if you want to partner with us, you can join in and just maybe send me a DM on the or on any platform which you can find me. Thank you. Sure.